And that's a wrap. Get in your car. Go, 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 go.
So we gotta head it all the way over there. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You guys are new to the channel. My name's Cody. This is Crushin Gears. You might want to follow us on Instagram. That way you're more up to date than the videos here on YouTube. But we are here at Liberty Grand in Toronto, the capital of Ontario. And what a beautiful, epic morning it's been. Thank you so much to Saturn from a Spade Rally and Saturn's Drives that you guys know I'm a part of, for allowing me to come out here, even though I'm not part of the rally. And well, it's pretty epic. 85-ish cars. We got everything here this morning. So without further ado, let's go check out some cars. And yeah, who knows, we'll get some of them leaving. This car, David, you killed it. You killed it, David. This wrap is sick.
Watch out. Okay, let's start backing up. Back it up, brother. Guys, watch out. Back it up. Okay. All right. Whoa.
I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not, it's just so loud. This thing is epic. First time seeing it in person.
You'll be here.
No one is checking out the Squadra. Why? That just looks so sick in person.
Okay, can you find Derek? Get him to move up.
That is so wide. It's a bit of a McLaren morning. Interesting rims on the car, but a sick wrap nonetheless. This wrap is sick.
Push. Yeah, swing it over there. Yeah, keep going. Hard right from the water. I've got that 3. You get there.
I love this wrap with the white wheels look so sick.
Is it still on there?
He put it on last night.
If you don't follow Saturn on Instagram, you're not living life. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. Lots of epic content. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but we got Dr. M3 in the house. So Cody from Dr. M3. This is Purple Monkey.
Wait! Wait!
Yo, hug it! Hug it!
Too early!
My buddy is Aventador, Liberty Walk Aventador is so sick. He's got a new wrap this year. He's got a train horn. This thing is like, last year was sick, but this year is even better. I just listen to this thing. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, it's too loud in my ears. Make sure to follow my boy on Instagram. This build is sick. I don't even know if you can get lower.
2 hours.
Sure, you got. Don't do it. He's setting up shop. You guys remember this Performante from the last video? This thing's sick. Got transformer wrap on it.
Oh, really? I just got fucked up my Achilles tendon. Huh?
If there's another, I might have to. I love this wrap that he did on his 570. It looks so sick. If you guys could take one car here for the day, what would you guys take? Let me know in the comments below. If I could take one, I think I would take Damon's Murcielago. I haven't been in one, and it's gated, and I haven't driven a gated car in so long, and I miss it. So it'd be nice to get behind the wheel of one again. But let me know what you guys would pick for the day. There's lots of beautiful cars here. Like, look at the turnout. Just look at the turnout. Got cars all the way down there participating in the rally.
So that's how we're leading.
I watched the video last year. It's like out there. It's like,
We got 600, got 458s, 570s, 720s, Huracans, Aventadors, Murcielagos. We got lots and lots. I wish nothing but a safe and fun rally for all the participants. I wish I was on it this year. Let me know if I should go on it next year. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful morning, I should say. Wow. All these epic cars, man. This is my coffee. I don't need coffee. Well, I mean, okay, maybe a little bit, but this is epic. We even got more guys still rolling in. This is such a beautiful spot. YouTubers on YouTubers. We've got Cody in the house.
Hey man, what's up guys?
If you guys haven't checked out Cody, make sure to check him out. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you guys aren't following him, you're following me. I don't know what you guys are doing, but
Well listen, keep making good stuff, and guys, you know,
it's all about the car life, so just keep watching,
about.
right?
This wrap is sick on this Viper. We've got the white wheels to match the Tron wrap. It's really good. I love Vipers.
Great show.
Check this sticker out. What do you guys think of that? That's pretty cool. Roadrunner.
Drivers meeting. How was your drivers meeting, man? How was it? What did they say? Anything we should know? Drivers meeting? Rally's canceled. It was canceled. What? You're definitely in an SUV.
In the Aventador.
What's up, guys? You guys ready for 2019 Ace Day Rally? How'd the drivers meeting go? Did they say it's a race, it's not a rally? That's my dyslexia again. It's a race, not a rally.
David got hit.
Not sponsored.
Just a little confetti.
They're a little too big.
Just a little. Hey, you can't just leave your door. I'm going to take the car on the rally.
I got the keys in my pocket.
Oh shit. Alright, bro. Sorry, brother.
Alright, let's go.
No tickets this time?
Hopefully. Hopefully.
It's so loud. Look at all the confetti. Look at it. Wow. Man, I really want to go on the rally. Leave it to her, Jill. Leave it to it. Got a beautifully wrapped. I love the wrap. I'm just going to steal your car.
If it's there, the door's open, right? I mean, if it's open, you gotta, yeah.
Hey, you're still cooler than him.
Yeah, I'm just humble.
Enjoy the rally. Safe driving. Don't damage it.
I'll be good. As soon as we get the
Are
fuck
you sure you don't want a co-pilot?
need a waiver? Sure. You don't want to be my co-pilot. You're yelling at the whole time. Yeah,
If I'm co-pilot, I get to yell back, right? No?
no. You gotta get your own car for that. I had years as a co-pilot.
Alright, man. Take it easy.
I'll see you next year.
A little story time for you guys. I didn't bring the Huracan today, and there's a reason, and I want to tell you guys that in this video. The Huracan was sold 2 weeks ago. I know, I'm sad too, trust me, I'm sad. But it was sold for a good reason. I can't really say why, but before I was really interrupted, I can't really say why, but I sold it for the reason that my dad's getting a new car and I want to have some investments. So that money is going into things like stuff for the channel and other things, but I can use his car and I think you guys might like the car. It should be here in a couple weeks. So that is why the Huracan's not here today. That's why I haven't made any videos with it recently. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I know, I'm sad too, trust me. But on to bigger and better things. I know I said if I hit 100K I would do the GTR build. I did change my mind on that and I was going to do a Huracan build. But unfortunately we didn't hit the 100K by July, and obviously I'm not even at 1K right now, but that doesn't mean in the future we won't do that. So make sure to crush that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you guys enjoyed it. And I know I'm not wearing any merch right now, it's too hot this morning and all my stuff is black, but if you guys want to cop some merch, link is in the description below. 10% off just for you beautiful people. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And thank you to Cody from Dr. M3 for shouting me out in his video. I'll leave a link in the description below for his video and his channel. Make sure to go follow him and subscribe if you aren't already. And just like that, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.